So success has a lot of meanings, yet success, when measured in terms of some set standards by the society, by the people around you, or the environment you are in, it has no meaning, because that success is not your success. Your success is the success which is totally your understanding of that sense of achievement. Most of the times what we do is, because we are as human beings, we are like sponges and we absorb energy from other people. So have you ever noticed that when you go to a public place, for example a mall, and you just go there, have fun, eat, watch a movie, shop a little bit and then come back, yet you feel very tired. What's the reason? You have not done anything. In fact, you've entertained yourself. That's because as human beings, we absorb other people's energies. So when we absorb the meaning of success from other people, we are chasing the wrong goals and we chase the wrong meaning of success. You know, success sometimes could be just getting out of bed and simply, combing your hair, or making a conversation that is hard for you to make. Success could be just doing that one thing that you decided that you will do today in this day, during this day. So success is it's a very, very personal perspective. Success is something which you cannot generalize. So success in my eyes now is really when you know yourself. You know your angels as well as your demonic side. So you know the elements that are angelic, that are good in you, and you know your demons as well. And you're okay with both, yet you have control on when to use which one. Because if you're letting your demons out when you're not supposed to, it can create a havoc. So it's about knowing yourself and working on how you can be in a state of perfect composure, calmness, serenity, and self-control. Success basically is to be happy, to feel fulfilled, to feel, content, yet be hungry for more. Contentment is something that is very relative. When you feel content, it doesn't mean that you do not chase your goals, or you do not set any goals, or you do not do the work, do hard work to achieve your goals. It is not that one destination that you reach and then you said, okay, fine, I'm retiring. That hunger means you are hungry for more. You know that you can create even more. You're very happy with what you have, yet you desire to be more of contribution to others. Success is a knowingness that no matter what, you'll be able to deal with it, whatever the situation is. Success is walking in your own lane and just dropping that word competition, comparison from your dictionary altogether. Success is a knowingness in your heart that no matter what, you are proud to be yourself. You're proud of every element, every characteristic, every trait that you are, and you're proud to own yourself. You claim yourself. Doesn't mean that you're perfect. Doesn't mean that you're looking for perfection also. It means you love your flaws. Yet, whatever is not working, you have that humility and have that sense of openness to change it. And that's what is called self-transformation. Thank you for listening to me, guys. I'm so enthralled to be live here. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. It's Soulful Raman. And I'm so willing to share so much of content in the future also, which could add value to your lives. Thank you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.